A very charm morning to one and all present here. This is Sakshi before you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you. Today I am here to do conversation with Bhumika. A very graceful morning to everyone. This is Bhumika before you. Today I am doing one-on-one conversation with my friend Sakshi. Hello Bhumika. Hey Di, how are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm also good. So what's going on in your life? Nothing. Just I'm just chilling that time. And what about you? I also. So Bhumika, do you like to read books? Yes, sometimes I like to read book, but I am not reading book. And what about you? I also like to read book, but I also not read continue sometime on. Which type of books you like to read? Many types of book I read, story books and other also. How many types of books there are? I think there are mainly two types of books: fictional books and non-fictional books. What do you mean by that fictional books? I think fictional books means it depend on the author's imagination, and non-fictional books are about any particular person or story. I don't think in a depth about it. Yeah. What are the benefits of reading books? Reading books is very important, I think, because it helps us to learn, grow, and understand about around us world, and we feel pleasure and happiness when we read books, and it gives us knowledge, I think, all the world. But do you think in this modern era and this time we if we want to know anything we can do Google? Yeah, but I think if we search on Google, so we get quick information, and we read about it depth, and we surely close the internet. But when we read in books, we read deep and analysis about anything. So it gives us deeper understanding, I think. And what do you think? Why it is essential to read books rather than internet? Because when we read book, we are connecting with that books lessons, and also we imagine that situations. Yeah. It improves our imaginations and understanding level. And also we get knowledge from books, and we get knowledge from depth. Yeah, I think it's right. Yeah. I agree with you. So, Bhumika, do you think in the today's busy in this modern age, everyone is busy? So, how we can read books in a busy schedule? Everyone. If we should read book read book when we go to bedtime, or in a lunch break, in a short breaks. Minimum 15 minute is essential for reading books. Yeah. I think we have to make it part of our routine to read books. Yes, but in my busy schedule, how I can make it part of my schedule? So first you can give small time, then it increase, so it become your part of routine. So in the beginning, for beginner, this type of books they should. I think they should read story books, so their interest are increased, and it become a habit of their routine. Do you think that can books are mind exercise for? Yeah, I think it is a workout for brain and mind. When we read books, so we become active, and our mind are active. So it is a, I think, workout. Yeah. And what do you think, Bhumika? Can books improve our vocabulary? Yes, books can improve our vocabulary. When we read different types of books, we get more vocabulary. Yeah. Different types of and what do you think that books connect us with culture? Yeah, I think books is a important tool to know about our culture and tradition. Through reading, we know about different culture, tradition, and way of life, and we become open-minded about our culture. I think, yeah. So, Bhumika, can books is contribute in our personal growth?
Yes, the books contributed it improves our personality, vocabulary, and also learning skills and us understanding people's.
Yeah, I think you are right. So, Bhumika, tell me about books. Which books you want to read in future?
In future, firstly, I want to start from storybooks, and then from this I want to read some motivational books and inspirational books.
Yeah, I think it is helpful in our achieving our goal and other also.
Do you know any inspirational books name?
I don't know, but I searched. Then I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay. So nice conversation with you.
It is nice conversation.